Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be reviewing a hooded dryer that I found for the low on Amazon. But before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comments in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay notified every time I post a new video. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. But yeah, so we're just gonna hop right into this video real quickly. You know what to do. So this right here is the box that the hooded dryer is inside. So I'm just gonna place it right here, Before I unbox this and do a quick little review, the name of the hooded dryer is, I gotta go on Amazon to check because I don't know it off the top of my head. Let's see. The name of this hooded dryer is the Nova Mycoderma Braid. No, that's the name of the person that's selling it.
Well, congratulations, you played yourself.
The name of this hooded dryer is the Professional 1300W Adjustable Hooded Floor Hair Bonnet Dryer Stand-Up Rolling Base with Wheels Salon Equipment. That's a crazy name. I'm gonna link this in the description box so that you can see what it is. I'm probably gonna insert a picture of what it looks like right here so you guys can see what it looks like. I paid $93.98 for it. I have Prime, so free shipping, free 2-day shipping. So yeah, we're gonna hop into it. So your girl is ratchet. I don't have a box cutter. I had one because, fun fact, I used to work at Toys R Us and I had one when I was working there, but I lost it. So I'm just gonna use these hair scissors, don't judge me, to open this box. Let's see. Ugh. Okay, no, I definitely need to cut the sides because hello. Okay. Right there. There.
That kind of hurted me though.
Just slapped me in the face. Here. Alright, so inside the box there's a paper. It's the instructions paper, I guess. It gives you instruction manual. There's a features and functions portion, installing steps, operations, attentions, and there's also like a picture, like I mentioned, that kind of tells you what is what for this hair dryer. This is what it looks like, just in case you're wondering. This is what it looks like. Alright. So, wow. There's a lot going on. So this, according to the paper, this is a supporting column. So I'm just gonna put this down for now. Okay, maybe I'm gonna put it right there because it won't stay on the floor. So this is one of the legs. So there are 5 legs. They look like this. They have wheels at the bottom. Pretty standard stuff. I'm gonna take this styrofoam out. Oh, there's something in here. This is the middle piece for the legs. So I guess what I'm going to do is try and put the legs together because I guess that would make sense, and attach it to the column. So let's see. Open the carton, take out the 5 feet bases and feet connection and assemble them. Oh, okay, this is easy. You just snap it in. I really hate styrofoam wrap because it leaves such a huge mess when you're, I guess, putting something together. I just don't like them personally. I think they're disgusting. So I put together the legs, as you guys can see. Now, what is this? So I guess this piece goes right here. Wow, okay. Guys, this is harder than I thought. The wheels just fell apart. I don't know if I'm supposed to unscrew this or not. I'm just unscrewing it. I low-key don't know what I'm doing. And it's a little bit scary because it keeps falling apart. I got it. I got it. I got it. Just gotta make sure that these pieces fit. Why am I having such a hard time? I got it. Okay, so that bottom piece had to go over here to secure the wheels. So now the wheels are nice and secured. Now it's time to work on this bad boy right here. I am highly confused as to what I'm supposed to be doing. Am I supposed to... Oh, I get it. I know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so I have to unscrew this part right here because I'm about to show y'all a trick, if I can show y'all the trick, because I don't know if I can.
5 hours later.
Dang. How long is this? Oh, okay, I got it. So what you're gonna do is take this part of the column. So this is the top part. You're gonna take the bottom part, and what you're gonna do is fit it into this part of, so you're gonna fit it to the bottom of where the wheels are, and then you're gonna take this gray part with the screw, and you're gonna screw it in to the bottom until it screws onto the top part. So what I'm doing is screwing it on, trying to make sure that it's nice and tight. So it's looking pretty good so far. It's connected. Alright, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the adjust tube to the supporting column. This is the adjustable tube. So what I'm gonna do is open it. It's silver, it's sleek, and I'm going to put it inside. Connect the supporting column into the middle of the 5 plastic feet. Install the screw with the spacer in the bottom. Okay, but it still does not tell me what I'm doing. Which side am I supposed to use? These directions are terrible. Like, honestly, I am having... See, that's not safe. It's not secured properly. So I took this part off and I put it here. So let's see what it do. Oh, I got it on. Okay, so I got it secured, I think. Okay, now for the final step, the dryer portion. This is pretty heavy. So you're just supposed to put it on here. I don't even know. Okay. Ooh, okay. I think I got it on. Okay, so I finished putting together my hooded dryer, and this is what it looks like. The top part lifts up like this. This is what the inside looks like. It has a lot of functions at the top, as you guys can see. I could do how many minutes I want over here. This is the on and off switch, and this is the temperature right here. So it's pretty lit. I'm definitely going to be posting a video of me unboxing this. It was low-key a struggle because your girl ain't know what she was doing, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. What do you guys think? Okay, so I am done assembling the unit. It is right here, and I would like to say that I'm pretty impressed with it. For $93, I feel like it's going to be something worth it. Honestly, I feel like I really spent my coins well. It's sturdy. It's holding up pretty well. I'm definitely going to test it out. If you guys would like to see a video on me just reviewing this unit as a whole, I'll definitely do it. Just comment in the comment section and you know I got you. But yeah, I'm really enjoying how it looks. I can't wait to use it. I'm actually about to wash my hair and do mini twists, and I'm gonna sit under this hooded dryer to test it out. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comments in the comment section, please. Subscribe to my channel. I told you guys before in the beginning of the video, subscribe to my channel so you're notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram at KinkyCurlyMary. And until next time, guys, peace and love always. Bye.